When doing one's laundry, first you check the tags, or labels that are located inside the linens and garments. This will verify if it requires a machine or hand wash. Secondly, sort all your laundry by similar colors by grouping them. This way, you won't stain the other linens and garments with crossed color dyes. Thirdly, sort again. Sort each pile by the type of fabric. Fourthly, find an all-purpose detergent. This will cut some time down in the whole process. Fifthly, choose your preferred cycle and water temperature. Choose a cycle according to fabric type. Cold water, dark fabrics, warm water, colored fabrics, and hot water, white fabrics. Sixthly, add detergent as water fills. Seventhly, add clothes. Last step, unload the washer when done. Hello YouTube family. Please check out the social distancing merch. There are masks, beanies, shirts, and sweaters. Thank you for the support. The link is below in the description.